We all know the V8 70 series as being an effective workhorse on this simpler side, but I have something to show you guys today from NSV Australia where they've come up with an innovative design to not only add practicality but convenience to your 70 series. This smart compressor system that has been locally developed by NSV has a few key features that makes it stand out from the rest. What makes this kit truly stand out is the way they've packaged the compressor and components neatly beneath the passenger seat, thanks to an ADR tested and compliant bracket. Now this smart little screen here controls everything when it comes to inflating and deflating your tyres, and for added convenience, you can make yourself a favourites list. And the best part, it looks right at home in the factory dash. So with the smart inflation controller and the compressor and components packaged neatly beneath the passenger seat, NSV have created something that's easy and convenient to use. Using the system couldn't be simpler. To inflate or deflate your tyres, just connect the supplied air hose to the valve. Power on the system and select your desired pressure. The smart inflation controller will take care of the rest, automatically inflating or deflating to the set pressure. With over 2 decades of development, NSV Australia has come up with a smart controller and compressor that adds ease and practicality to your vehicle, making it easier than ever to adapt to any terrain.